Understanding pedagogy, the art and science of teaching. Pedagogy, the science and art of teaching, is fundamental to effective education. It encompasses the strategies, techniques, and approaches educators employ to facilitate learning. At its core, pedagogy recognizes that teaching is not merely the transmission of information, but the creation of environments that foster understanding, critical thinking, and skill development. The word pedagogy has its roots in the Greek words pais, child, and agogos, leader. This etymology highlights the role of the teacher as a guide who leads students toward knowledge and enlightenment. Effective pedagogy considers the diverse learning styles, backgrounds, and needs of students, tailoring instructional methods to maximize engagement and comprehension. Central to pedagogy is the understanding that students are not passive recipients of information, but active participants in the learning process. Learners construct their own understanding by connecting new information to prior knowledge, experiences, and interactions with the world around them. Pedagogical approaches that embrace this constructivist view empower students to take ownership of their learning and develop a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Motivation, the driving force behind engagement and achievement, is paramount in education. When students are motivated, they are more likely to invest effort, persevere through challenges, and experience a sense of accomplishment. Educators play a crucial role in cultivating a motivating learning environment that sparks curiosity and nurtures a love for learning. One of the leading researchers in the field of educational psychology, Meyer, emphasizes the importance of understanding students' goals and aspirations. According to Meyer and Meyer, students are more motivated when they perceive their learning as relevant to their lives and future goals. When students see the value in what they are learning, they are more likely to be intrinsically motivated, finding joy and satisfaction in the learning process itself. Educators can foster motivation by creating learning experiences that are challenging yet attainable, providing regular feedback that is specific and actionable, and fostering a supportive classroom community where students feel valued and respected. By tapping into students' intrinsic motivation, teachers can create a dynamic learning environment where students are eager to learn and grow. Setting the stage learning objectives. Learning objectives are clear, measurable statements that define what students should know, understand, and be able to do as a result of a particular learning experience. They provide a roadmap for both teachers and students, outlining the intended outcomes of instruction and guiding the selection of appropriate teaching methods and assessment strategies. Well-crafted learning objectives are student-centered, focusing on what students will gain from the learning experience rather than what the teacher will cover. Objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART. By establishing clear learning objectives, teachers provide students with a framework for understanding the purpose and relevance of their learning. Moreover, learning objectives serve as a valuable tool for assessment. By aligning assessments with the stated objectives, teachers can accurately measure student progress and identify areas where additional support may be needed. When students understand the expectations for learning and are provided with opportunities to demonstrate their understanding, they are more likely to succeed. Engaging students' problem-based and project-based learning. Problem-based learning, or PBL, and project-based learning, or PJBL, are two student-centered pedagogical approaches that engage students in active learning by presenting them with real-world challenges and encouraging them to find solutions. These methods move away from traditional lecture-based instruction and empower students to take ownership of their learning. In PBL, students work collaboratively in small groups to solve a complex, open-ended problem. The problem serves as a stimulus for learning, prompting students to identify what they already know, what they need to learn, and how they will acquire the necessary knowledge and skills. Through research, discussion, and critical thinking, students develop problem-solving abilities, communication skills, and a deeper understanding of the subject matter. PJBL, on the other hand, challenges students to create a tangible product or solution to a real-world problem. Students work on projects over an extended period, engaging in in-depth research, planning, design, and presentation. PJBL fosters collaboration, creativity, critical thinking, and communication skills, preparing students for the demands of the 21st century workplace.